Hello everyone, this is P. Satra. Once again I am coming back to you for the Python class, and this time again I have taken the function related class, and this time you see that I have taken the function related class. That means the sum of the series we want to process using Python programming where we will apply the function, okay, user defined function. So before going to start my class, please, this is my request, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. You will get a lot of interesting and important classes on Python, okay, which will help you a lot in future. So let us start our class. You see that the last class it was function with menu driven program, and now you see that the function we are solving a sum of the series, means this sum we will do the complete series we will process, and where we will see the factorial. So if you have understood the factorial, so that factorial, how this is actually we need the nested loop to process. So using the nested loop we can process this, as well as using a function we can do the similar program to solve. So let us see what is the factorial. You see that if you want to calculate this one, so how many terms? If n up to n terms, if n equal to 3, that means 1 2 3 terms. If n equal to 2, we will calculate these 2 terms. If n equal to 1, we will calculate the first term. If n equal to n suppose 5 terms, so 1 2 3 more 2 terms we have to generate. So now this is our program. Write a Python program using function to find the sum of the following series up to n terms. Up to n terms. If n equal to 3, the 3 terms 1 2 3. If n equal to 2, the 2 terms. Let us see. So where x is the numerator value, any value you can take. In this example I will take, suppose 720. 720 is the value I will take as the numerator value, and denominator value 246. 2's factorial, how to do this symbol means the factorial symbol. So this calculation is 2's factorial, means 1 into 2 means the value is 2. So this 720 by 2 factorial means we will get like this. I think you can understand. So how this is the working rough work I already have done it for to save my time. So please check it. This how we will do this process. This value of x, if it is 720, so value of x, this first term's denominator is 2 factorial. Factorial we will calculate using the loop, and that loop will return this value. So 720 by 2 will be the calculated value. So this 720, the result it will give you what? 360. Again, whenever we will do the calculation of this term, x by 4 factorial, this is 720 by 4 factorial. 4 factorial means this is the 4 factorial. So 24. 720 by 24. 720 by 24. So 720 by 24, the result you will get 30. You will get the result 30. Then the third one, x, again 720, the value of x we are taking from the user 720. So that value is constant for all the terms. You can take some other value, it will be calculated according to that. Okay, so 720 by 6 factorial. 6 factorial, you see that 6 factorial is this. This is the 6 factorial. Factorial means, so 1 2 6, all the numbers you have to multiply. So 720, this 720. After that, you see that 720 by 720. Value of x is 720 and 6 factorial is 720. So the result is, after cancellation, is coming 1. So all this sum of the series, first term, second term, third term, this is, if you make it sum, we are getting 390. So we will test in my computer program, means in my computer we will get the same result. So let me, if you can understand this working, so I will write the code now. I will explain once again, then I'll go to the computer. So let us see. Let me write the code. So after rubbing out this, I have to write the code, then I can show you. Okay. So now let us see that the problem I already have solved over here. So you just check it, that how to solve that problem, the question whatever I have given, sum of the series. That the series, let me write once, then it will be clear to all of you. So S sum of the series, it was x by 2 factorial plus x by 4 factorial plus x by 6 factorial. So if it is, this is if n equal to, when x equal to 720 and n equal to 3, so our calculation will be, this result you will get 391 will be our answer. 391 will be our answer. So let us see how we will calculate this one. Let's see, this is the factorial calculation. You know this function, this user defined function, the name of the function I have given factorial. So you see that this is the main area, this is the main area, and here it is the factorial. So main area you are getting the first. User is asking, means the computer will ask you to the user that what value you want to give for x. I want to give value of x equal to 720 I want to give. So 720, after giving, how many terms you want to generate? I want to generate 3 terms. Suppose the 3 terms. 3 terms means 1, 2, 3 terms. This is the first term, second term and third term. These 3 terms we want to generate now. So this, you see that these 2 are input values. After taking the input, you know that the sum, after doing this calculation, we will keep the value into s. After doing the calculation, we will keep this value with this value. Means previously what we have calculated, that value as well as this value, we will keep it in this variable. In this way, this value also, all 3 values, the result will come into s. And you see the denominator 2, 4, 6. So I have taken denominator is 2. I am not, this loop is, we have to generate up to n terms. So we have to write the loop in this way, 1 n. If n equal to 3, so you know the how to start the loop. So it is 1, then 2, then 3. So if it is 3, so 3 plus 1 means 4. Less than 4 means it will work up to 3. So you see that 1, 2, 3, this 3 times the loop will work. So the value, you see that dn, it is starting 2. So when I equal to 1, what you are doing? S equal to 0 plus x means 720 divided by 700. This x means x by 2 factorial means 720 by 2 factorial. This 2 factorial, we'll see that the 2 factorial, how will get? This function will help you to calculate the 2's factorial. How much we are sending? Initial value dn equal to 2. So that 2, so whenever we are calling this function, the function name is given here, and this dn value is coming here. So it is how much? This is dn value is 2. So we are doing the calculation of factorial. If you know the factorial, you see that fact variable initially 1. So this loop will work. How much you have given? 2. So it will be 1 and num equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So it is 3 means less than 3. So the loop will work how long? 2 times. This loop will work 2 times. So that means factorial of 2 means 1 into 2. So the result will be 2. So this is calculated by fact equal to how much in out of the loop? Fact equal to 1. So it is 1 into I value equal to 1. 1 into 1, it is 1. So again you are repeating this. I will be 2. So 1 into 2. This time 1 into 2. 1 into 2 means it is 2. So finish. The loop will not work anymore. What you will do? We will return. You will see that this is the return function. This fact value we are returning. So this fact value, it is coming here. It is coming here. What? We have sent 2. So calculated value also we are getting 2. So it is 2. So you can understand this is 720. That means 720, this value 720 by 2. 720 by 2 calculated value will be 360. So 0 plus this complete section. This complete section will give you the calculated value, this 360. So 0 plus 360. 0 plus 360, S will be 360. So again we have to update dn, because dn it was 2 initially, so next time it will become dn. What was the previous value? Dn plus more 2. So dn first value it was 2, and again updating by 2, so dn value will be 4. So you see that dn value will be 4. 2 plus 2, it will be 4. So again we are going back. So what we are doing, again we are going back, and this time you see that whenever you are going back, so it will be what? That the I will be 2. If I will be 2, so you see that this is 360, so 720, I will be 2. So dn will be how much? This calculated value. Second time this loop is working for the second term. So this time we are sending 4. So this factorial again it is going with the 4 result. Value 4. So factorial of 4 means you can understand 24 will come. So this will be 720. That time it will be 720 by 4. So the result you can understand 30 will come. So this next time we will get 30. So in this way we will update dn. dn will be updated 3 times. First time it will be 2, dn second time it will be 4, dn third time it will be 6, and finally one by one we are dividing 3 times. 720 by 2, 720 by 24, and 720 by how much? That was the 6 means 6 means what is that? 720 yes, 720. So this 3 calculated value, finally we will get the result where S will hold the final result, that is 391. So that result we will get. So I will show you this result in computer, then it will be clear. Let's see. So let us check. I already have written this program. We just check it. What is this? This is a factorial. Check, this is the factorial. This is the factorial. Then the this is the function. So this is the function area. So I will show you more clear. So this is the input value. After taking the input, this is the area. You see this is the area. So now you can understand, it's very much clear. So we can understand it very in transparent way. So you see that is the defining this function factorial. Name of the function is factorial. Where we have declared it here. So let's see. Check. Okay. Now check how we are asking. Enter the value of x. Value of x 720. Enter the value of n. N is 3. Yes, we are getting 391. It's a fractional way it is showing, but the result is 391. So this is the function related program, that a function can help you in this way. The series, the factorial calculation we are performing by. If you apply here another loop in place of function, you can solve this problem. So but this is the better way that we can solve this. This function can be used by other program also. So this is the functions, that user defined functions advantage. Okay, so up to this much is today. I think it is very much clear for all of you. The function related programs, a lot of functions are there, a lot of problems are there where we can implement the user defined functions. So you all do practice. So if I get time in future, definitely I will repeat that the function related problem. And if you have any kind of problem, you can give me the feedback. Then what type of problem I have to show you, you can give me the feedback. I will help you all. Okay, if it is possible, I'll give you the function related problem, more function related problem for you all. Okay, so up to this much. Again, next day I will come with another topic. So till then, goodbye.